Welcome back to All American Refinishing Informative Videos. My name is Art, again, Director of Operations for a company that's been in business for 20 years. In this video, I'd like to discuss your liners that you see in the malls, or these bath fitters as they call them. And have you ever wondered what the cost of something like this is? Well, normally it runs anywhere between $1,600 and up to over $7,000, depending on the look, depending on the accessories that comes in there. And yes, they claim that it takes one day. It takes one day to install. That is correct. There is no demolition. There is no smell. But in actuality, they start to crack after a while. They start to separate between the seams. And then the other problem that you get is once that separation starts to occur, you'll start getting water behind the surfaces, and that's when you get the mold. We've done a lot of repairs on this. Cracked showers, cracked floors, cracked walls, and they can be quite expensive. Have you heard of a new product that we'll be introducing? This product is called Perma. We're going to showcase this product on very shortly in a couple of weeks, next videos. We'll show you a new technique, a new product, as I mentioned earlier, of what this is all about. It has no smell. It can be custom to any color that you want. It can be applied on floors, on walls. It can be applied on pool surfaces, concrete. You'll see educational videos and you'll see pictures of it. We will be the exclusive distributor of this particular product. We will be the installer as well of this product. And be on the lookout in the next several weeks of what we're talking about, because I think we are excited about this product that incidentally has been in business since 1997, the company that is. Very, very strong out in the West Coast, California, Las Vegas area. They have done tremendous amount of work for the Pentagon. They have done the Bellagio, New York. They have done Walt Disney World, and now we're bringing that product into the East Coast, particularly Florida, because we feel it's a huge market. And again, dealing with a company that has been in business for that long period of time, marrying with us that we also have been in business for this long period of time, I think is going to be a great product and a great service and at a low cost that will replace these liners that you see in these homes. As I mentioned earlier, the liners are very expensive. Yes, it takes one day. As opposed to what we're offering now, which is Perma. It's at a fraction of the cost. For example, a liner can cost $7,000. Our product can cost $2,500, now depending on the square footage of the surface. And again, the longevity is a lot longer. It will never peel, will never crack. It's watertight, water seal. A lot more benefits and a lot less con. We look forward again to show you that product. We'll show you videos about it, educational videos. And don't forget, the refinishing is still the #1 priority for our company, and we'll still offer that. But I think this is a great new segue of what we're offering in the future.
2, 3.
If you'd like to find more about this product, learn a little bit more, call us at 954-527-2725. And again, if you want to refinish a bathtub, you want to refinish a shower, you want to refinish a countertop, you want to refinish a jacuzzi, please call us at 954-527-2725. Look us up at our web, www.allamericanrefinishing.net. Thank you.